This is my drawing of the Bull VIP from Squid Game, and today I'm going to teach you each and every step on how you can draw this yourself. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the bull's nose. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Now let's curve the left side. We're going to go up, round this out, and just pull that in. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around, and then in. Now along the top, we're going to add a curve, going up and in towards the center. Go out and then back down towards the right. Now let's fold up the brow. On the left, bend this in and then up, and then do the same thing on the right. Let's add in the nostrils. On the left side, we're going to go up, curl this around, just tuck that in along the inside. Do the same thing on the right in the opposite direction. And then we'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Now we're going to draw the outside edge of the muzzle. Starting on the left side of the nostril, curve this out and then back in. Do the same thing on the right. Then from here, bend this in and then up toward the center point. Come down and then out. Let's add in the chin. Starting back on the left, we're going to come down, across, and then up. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw in the eyes. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this up and then down toward the outside. Go to the right and do the same thing. Let's draw the bottom of the eye. Starting back on the left, coming down, around the side, and just tuck that in behind the side of the nose. And we want to add a thick edge along the inside. Starting on the left, come down, and just taper towards the bottom of the eyes. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now we're going to go to the outside of the eyes and draw on the cheeks. Let's start on the left. We're going to go around, come down, just pull that in toward the side of the muzzle, and then do the exact same thing on the right. Going out, around, and then in. Now we're going to draw the bottom edge of the character's head underneath the mask. Starting over on the left side, curve this down underneath the mask, go across, and then tuck that up on the right side. Now we're going to work our way around the inside edge of the horn. Starting back on the left side, curve this around the eye, and then in. Now let's gradually pull that up toward the center of the head. And we're going to go around the right side and out, come around the brow, and then back in. Let's go back to the center and split the horns in half. Now we're going to draw the top edge of the left horn. We're going to go up, come all the way around the outside, and then down. Round at the bottom, and just curl up the horn. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Going up, come around the outside, and we'll just curl that up on the end. Let's round up the tip of the horn. I just want to pull this back down and then up underneath the cheeks. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, just underneath the head. Curve the body going out and then down towards the hip. Go over towards the right. Do the same thing. Now let's round out the bottom. From left to right, coming down and up. Now I'm going to move up and draw another curve to the edge of the belt. On the top left side, let's add in the collar. We're going to come down and across towards the bottom right. Let's go over towards the right side and just tuck this in towards the middle. Now we're going to draw the outside of the collar. We're going to step over, curve this around, come down and in toward the bottom, and then on the right side, we're just going to tuck this in. Let's go back to the hips. We're going to draw the edge of the robe, bend this out, and then down towards the bottom, and then we'll round out the bottom, coming down and then up. Now this flap is going to continue underneath the belt with a straight line. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the robe, leaving a gap in the center. We're going to start on the left. Bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out, and then down towards the right heel. And then we want to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. We're going to come down and then up. Now we're going to go back to the left side and draw the top of the slipper. We're going to go up. Now let's bend this all the way down towards the bottom, leaving a small gap. and we'll follow this curve back in towards the heel. Now from the bottom corners of the robe, we're going to step in and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to go out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go all the way back up to the top and draw in the arms. I'm going to start with the arm on the left holding a wine glass. So we start underneath the head on the left, bend this down and then out. And I'm going to curl the thumb going up and then down. Round up the thumb and then bend that back up. Now I'm just going to add a small curve for the edge of the palm. Now we're going to add 3 fingers along the outside. Start from the side of the thumb, start with a half oval going out and then back in. Come down towards the bottom and draw that again. And we're going to tuck this one up underneath the thumb. And then we'll do that one more time. Let's draw the bottom of the glass, leaving a small gap underneath this finger. Angle this down and out. I'm just going to round up the bottom of the glass. Let's go all the way up towards the top of the hand. We're going to start with the outside. We're going to go out and then bend that up. Go to the thumb, do the same thing. I'm just going to round up the top. Now let's step down and draw the edge of the wine, going across with a straight line. Now we're going to go back to the wrist. We're going to curve the palm, going all the way around the sleeve and then out. Now from the bottom, curve the sleeve, coming in and then up. Now we're going to line up the bottom of the arm over on the right side. We're going to bend the arm coming down and out towards the wrist. Add a small half circle for the thumb and then close off the end with a bracket. Now we want to add 3 fingers across the bottom, starting from the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket. Step down, add the second finger. Now the third finger is going to blend into the arm, go all the way around, and then just tuck that up underneath the head. Let's separate the sleeve with a curve, going up and then out. Let's add a thick cuff around the sleeve, so we're going to step in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the bull VIP from Squid Game. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.